Mrs. Farmer?
Yes.
Ready for our appetizer that you get at Chinese restaurants? It's not really Chinese.
Yes, I am ready. I love it.
It's really good. I mean, you can't beat it. So what's your ingredients? How do you make it?
Well, I have a package of cream cheese that I've let set out to room temperature.
Gotcha.
6 ounces of the imitation crab. And I have a garlic clove. And then I have some onions here, green onions. I cut up, it's probably 2. I just cut up a little bit, as much as you like. 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire. And then half a teaspoon of soy. And if you want to give me a little salt and pepper.
Okay.
And even a little bit of sugar, I think makes it
sugar?
good. Yeah. And we could make our own homemade sauce for this, you know. If you have apricot, we do have some.
I can make your own apricot sauce?
Yeah,
Sure.
we'll do that. It's apricot, like a preserves. And then we're going to put some rice wine vinegar in there, equal parts, and some soy. And that makes a wonderful dipping sauce.
There's your sweet and your sour.
Yeah. Now I'm going to make little packages is what we're going to do.
Okay.
Let's see.
And our oil is up to 250.
Little bowl of water here. I'm going to kind of dab around the edges so that'll help pull it together.
Just fold it up along the top there.
We got a little package. What do you think? All right, see how pretty those are?
Yeah,
Kelly did them.
Kelly is the artistic one
She's good at
when
this.
it comes to arts and crafts
Yes, she is.
and fancy foods.
Look how pretty those are.
Those are beautiful. I'm just going to drop them in here.
Oh, these are so yum.
Smell that?
Yes, I do.
Just till they're golden brown. All right. They're done,
Oh, wow.
Mrs. Farmer. Looky there.
Yay. Those look so good.
They blistered up a little bit.
They're better than the restaurant.
Now, one thing about these, they look so good, and you want to eat them. You'll pop them in your mouth. You go to the hospital because they stay hot. That cream cheese just stays so hot when you fry it like
Let me
that.
see. Oh, they're getting pretty good.
Be careful.
Ooh, see the steam?
Be careful.
I'll give you the big side. You got to try the sauce.
Wow, those are good.
Those are really good.
Those are phenomenal.
Let's eat them all so Kelly doesn't get any.